HSWMS Gotha Legion was a Swedish cruiser. Together with her sister ship Tre Kronor, they were the largest ships ever to serve in the Royal Swedish Navy. In 1971, Gotha Legion was sold to Chile, where she was renamed Almirante Latorre and served in the Chilean Navy until 1984. She was sold to Taiwan in 1986 to be scrapped. Captains: 1951-1952, Hans Uggla. References: External links. Gotha Legion's sister Risa, Gotha Legion's last voyage, Militärhistoria.se. In Swedish.